Tourism at RMUTP. Broadcasted today on Wednesday, the 15th of April 2026 at 9 a.m. by ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร The University of Technology, Innovation and Integration. Well, you are with me, Nondaporn Kittisipanya, a lecturer of tourism majoring, Faculty of Liberal Arts. So you are always with me every Wednesday morning, right? And this episode is the 160th program. You can follow us at YouTube channel by searching us at www.english.online.rmutp.ac.th. It includes our university news and updates. And you can follow us at RMUTP Facebook or RMUTP website at rmutp.ac.th. Okay, for this episode, I continue to tell you about information of tourist destination info regions of Thailand. So, for each week, I will tell you only one or two places, because there are a lot of things to tell you for the places I present. Well, I would say that this program, Tourism at RMUTP, is created to let people understand about Thai culture and Thai social, and also to encourage people to travel around Thailand, to enjoy beautiful scenery of exciting places of the country, and to impress Thailand's way of life. The program does not only provide people about important things that are knowledgeable and informative, but it also allows people to acknowledge information for their future career and for a quick understanding of Thailand. In the perspective of tourism, which is known as tourist attraction. Therefore, this program is vital to students of tourism majoring and other people who would like to learn and know more about Thailand, because the program allows viewers to understand Thailand and to have opportunity to acquire informative documents. And at the last part of the program, I also provide you news and latest updates from our university as usual. To let you to understand more about our university, ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร The University of Technology, Innovation and Integration. Okay, our program has informed you a lot about Thailand and Thai culture, which is reflected by Thai people in all four regions of Thailand. Thai culture includes Thai arts, which is very beautiful, Thai handicrafts, which is famous around the world, such as the handbag by the artifact products from nature, and also Thai yummy food, which is well known, such as Tom Yam Goong and Pad Thai. And last week, I informed you a lot about what ปากคลองมะขามเท่า which is the temple where many people come to pay and seek blessing from หลวงพ่อสุข Arena reverse monk in Thailand. But today I'm going to tell you about Chainat Bird Park. It is a very big one. Well, Chainat Bird Park is a famous tourist attraction in Chainat province. It is located at the foothill of Khao Phalong in Mu Si, number 4, Khao Tha Phra sub-district. Established in 1983, the park covered the area over 250 acres. It serves as both tourist attraction and a bird conservation center. Over the years, the park has continuously developed in many aspects, making it an attractive destination for both Thai and international visitors. The park features the largest aviary in Asia, covering 26 hectares, where birds are allowed to live freely. It's like a big cage in the area of 26 acres. There are also artificial waterfalls, gardens, and zoo. Interesting attractions within the bird park include the Tourist Information Center building, which collects tourism information from 8 districts of Chainat province. If you want to know more about Chainat province, you just come to Chainat Bird Park and you know where to go in Chainat province. And you have to spend about 2 days in this province to enjoy this tourist attraction there. The information is presented through exhibition and video. Wow, good. Presentation on a simulated boat with a realistic atmosphere, allowing tourists to search for tourism information comprehensively in one place. Wow, good. Another highlight is the Chao Phraya River Basin Fish Species Exhibition Building. อุบลรัตนราชกัลยาสิริวัฒนาพันวดี which display more than 90 species of freshwater fish, including rare or nearly extinct species, economic fish, and dangerous fish such as Siamese tigerfish. The striped catfish, Sumatran tigerfish, and rock catfish. There is also an underwater glass tunnel where visitors can see the giant แม่โขง catfish ปลาบึกนะคะ A giant freshwater fish known as the freshwater shark. Wow, interesting, isn't it? Okay, I tell you more about Chainat Bird Park in the next session. Now, welcome back to part 2, which I tell you more details about Chainat Bird Park. Yes, visitors can also view exhibition on Thai fishing lifestyle. The model boats from the Chao Phraya River Basin and the Planetarium Science Center The center was established to promote education and open the door to learning in science, astronomy, and geography, as well as to support tourism. With royal permission, a portrait, the royal biography of King Mongkut, the King Rama IV, are displayed here. He was internationally recognized by the astronomical community as the King of Siam eclipse, very, very famous of Thailand. And the Wako, like a science museum, also displays that the King of Siam, the King Mongkut, he calculated about the appearance of the eclipse, and it was successful for his accurate prediction of the total solar eclipse in 1868, right? The egg museum building displays eggs from various bird species, including rare and endangered species from Thailand and around the world, providing comprehensive educational knowledge. The OTOP Center building displays and sells local wisdom products. Interesting, right? Rated at the 5-star OTOP level. Wow. Offering many souvenirs for visitors to purchase. In addition, tourists can take a tram ride around the park to enjoy the scenery, relax in the bird park atmosphere, very interesting, and visit the artificial waterfall, wow, which is a popular relaxation area. The park also has restaurants, coffee shops, and other facilities available for visitors. The opening hour is 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. You can visit there if you want. Admission fee for Thai visitors, there is the fee for 60 baht. For children, it offers only 25 baht per person. For foreigners, if you are foreign visitors, are allowed to get in at the rate of 150. And for children, foreign children, it's about 75 baht. It's reasonable price, isn't it? And I will tell you about Rajamongkol news in the next session. Okay, goodbye from now. Okay, welcome back to part 3. I tell you more detail about RMUTP news, which is today on the topic of the Faculty of Science and Technology, enhance the knowledge of ESG fundamental. Well, Rajamongkol University of Technology, Pranakon, through the Faculty of Science and Technology, has organized a workshop project, the title ESG Fundamental, for faculty members and internal staff. The workshop was held every Saturday from February the 21st to April the 2026 at Ratchapruk Pilom Meeting Room, the second floor, RMUT Panakorn Nea campus. The objective was to transfer the knowledge and practical guideline on data management, reporting, and materiality analysis related to ESG. The training program includes the following topics: ESG basic and global trends, the governance and environmental, ESG data, reporting and materiality, social and stakeholders in career and business. The workshop was honored by guest speakers from both government and private sector, who share their knowledge and experiences, include Ms. Pataraporn Thanapawarit, the retired government officer, Department of Science Service, Ministry of Higher Education, Science Research and Innovation, and Dr. Tairat Chatkaew, the Managing Director of ESG Global Company Limited. And another one, Dr. Sawani Saman Tipong, the Associate Dean for Research Faculty of Business Administration, North Bangkok University. On Saturday, March 2026, Dr. Natwarapon Latcha Siri Vacharabun, the president of our university, presided over the certificate presentation ceremony and joined the discussion on ESG issue with the training participants. Okay, that's all from today's program. Please stay tuned with us and see you again. Please subscribe to our channel at worldwide.englishonline.rmutp.ac.th or on TikTok at RMUTP or on Facebook at RMUTP and RMUTP Live. Yes, see you again next week. Goodbye.